All right, everyone, we're back. About to show you the finished product of the headlight restoration. These are the headlights. As you can see, the clarity, it came out very well. Some of you might say that's a lot of tape, overkill. I'd rather spend money on tape to protect my customer's vehicle. That's why there's so much tape. I do not want to get any product that doesn't belong on the paint. So I'm just going to give y'all a close-up. You see they came out very nice. I thank everyone for your support. As always, remember, spread love and not hate. See y'all next time.